Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how to use keyframes in Capcut. So here I've already added a video in my Capcut editor page, and to use a keyframe, it's like you put a mark where you can add some you can zoom in, or you can add transition or others. So I'm going to add click you for to use keyframes. You need to click on your video first, and then here you'll find the keyframe options, and I'm going to add keyframes at the first part of my video, and then at the middle right here, and at the I'm going to trim it first, and at the end of the video like this. Okay, so I'm going to go to the second keyframes, and here I'm going to zoom in. You can zoom in, you can add animation, or you can add style. For example, I want to add okay, I'm going to zoom in like this, and then let's see the result. Okay, so as you can see at this part where I'm zoom in, it will become like this, and it turns back again at the third part, like at the third keyframes in here. Okay, so that's basically it. That is how you can use keyframes in Capcut. I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon, and don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe our channel. See you on the next tutorial. Bye.